Hey guys, coming to you today from sunny Agora Hills, California. I am at one of the most elaborate ICF projects probably going on in the country on a residential level at the moment. It is a beautiful, massive house and crazy swimming pool up the hill. I'm going to have a video next week showing you guys the progress here. I've been consulting them on their 2 swimming pools. I'm sitting at the guest house pool right now. It's a real small pool, but it's still elaborate in the way that it actually has a spillover going all the way around it, including the wall that it shares with the basement and the porch. So you'll literally walk right out of the pool into the house. Stairs coming right out of the house into the pool. Very, very cool stuff. But today I wanted to just bring you a little bit of an announcement about the next training event. It'll be our last training event of 2023, probably the last one until spring of 24, unless we find a warm weather spot to do something in the winter times. We won't do one in Springfield probably again until say March. But the dates for this training are going to be October 26th, 7th, and 8th. Flex day being Sunday, the 29th of October. So we're just about 5 weeks away. It is going to be an amazing training. We've really got it down pat now, guys. We're covering a lot of ground. What we'll do on day 1 is the first part of the day we will be with Pentair, talking about their automation panel, their the IntelliCenters, and what all they can do, all the different equipment from IntelliChems and all the things that are possible, lighting, programming, everything. We do that the first half of the day. Second half of the day, we're going to put a vinyl liner in a small pool about the size of this pool here. We usually do that on day 3, but there's a very special reason we're doing that on day 1, so we can actually fill it up. Normally we just drop that liner and move on, but this time we're going to fill it up. We're going to spend day 2 finishing up the forming on a monolithic pour pool, meaning a non-linered pool, and we'll actually pour that one together. And then we will also pour a little wall that we train on blowouts. We're going to actually create a disaster to show you guys how to deal with that. After that, we will do some site visits. We go out to some really cool pools. We'll generally go see the pool that won pool of the year, a couple others that are really cool. And then after we do the pour and we do that, day 3, we come back, we have a few more site visits, but we're also going to plumb the vinyl liner pool and connect what Hydromatic just did me a really big solid and got me an auto cover, Aquamatic anyway. They got me a Hydromatic auto cover. We're actually going to install that auto cover together, make it operational, actually get that pool completely up and running, plumbing and everything. So a lot of times we kind of touch on plumbing and I show you an auto cover. We're actually going to throw that in as more hands-on training. So I really think that was the one thing that I had been missing, was being able to show you guys auto covers and plumbing. You know, just depended on what job sites I had opened up like this one is right now, is kind of hard to show plumbing. So we're actually going to have that at every training from here on out. But this training on October 26th, 7th, and 8th will be the last training of 2023. I cannot tell you how stoked I am about it, and just get with Jess as quick as you can at support@icfguru.com, because I know we've got about half of it already signed up already, just off the waiting list. But we probably will have room for a few of you guys, so hit her up, and I will be looking forward to seeing you guys in October.